doing, Wayne?
I am taking some ashes and using the ashes to clean these glass doors on the fireplace.
Wow, it looks like it works too. So, do you have to?
You just take a piece of newspaper and dip it in some ashes after you've wet it a little bit.
Wow, look at that.
And it comes right off.
They were really dirty too. We're out at the farm, everybody, and this is a fireplace that Wayne put in. He and our son found these rocks outside on the farm here, and they built this fireplace into this wall.
There you
Looking good. So we're going to make a fire now and get them all dirty again?
go. Yep.
Ooh, that looks pretty. Well, this is living, y'all. We're out at the farm with a roaring fire going. Got the Alabama football game on TV. And when this dies down a little bit, we're going to roast some marshmallows. Well, Alabama's winning the football game, and we're going to have good old roasted marshmallows.
Yep.
Or maybe two.
It's a hot fire.
It sure is. It's died down a lot, and it's still putting out a lot of heat. Y'all want us to roast a marshmallow for YouTube?
We've been saying we're going to do this for a long time now, and we finally got around to it today.
Ooh, that's smoky.
Yeah, yours is about to explode there.
It's nice and brown. See that, y'all? I like mine to get a little bit charred.
Yeah, but it will catch on fire. You ever had them to burn?
Yeah, I like them burned.
Good.
Wow, that's hot. Better blow on it. Okay. Look at that. Nice
Good.
and soft inside. It's very good.
Delicious. Want another one? Thanks everyone for coming out with Mary and myself today to roast marshmallows, and we've had a good time. Hope you guys have too. And don't forget to hit the mark the subscribe block, and we will see you next time.
And roll tide. They won.
Right. Don't forget, right. 19-3, I think, wasn't it?
Yep, sure.
All right. See you next time. Bye now.